Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez from Mesagri Channel, a faith healer, also at a reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin, no? Ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay? So this is a weekly gabay. A weekly pasilip for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Pero because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit ko siya for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang mag-support sa aking channel. Lalo nang skip ng ads away pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices ng ating angel spirit para sa ating mga kapatid na Leo. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga gilap? Tutuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel spirit, please give me the information po. Okay, so there's a Four of Swords, something rest. So, kailangan mo ng sapat na pahinga. No, maaaring nag-over patig ka. There's a fear. No, there's a fear and afraid. So, may mga takot at pangamba na maaaring nagbibigay sa'yo, no, ng overthinking. No, kaya parang you're feeling tired, no? Kumbaga, meron dito ako na sa sense na maaaring nagdadala sa ito ng kumbaga bigat na pakiramdam. No, there's depression and anxieties. Let's see what is the messages. Represent guys with a Knight of Swords. Now, there's a success driven. So, bibilis ang takbo ng sitwasyon. Now, may mga part na I feel na maaaring magtagumpay ka. No? Maaaring may mga bagay na bibilis na ang takbo ng sitwasyon mo. So, parang may mga bagay na hindi mo namamalayan. Na parang unti-unti ka na nakakalayat, nakakabawala. No? From that situation. With a Eight of Cups, something of getting away from the situation. There's something letting go. So, ito nga, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan. No? Kailangan mong alisin sa situations mo. No? Kumbaga, there's an abandonment. No? Talagang kailangan mong alisin or talagang kailangan mong surrender. No? Pakawalan at bitawan. And there's a Ten of Wands. No? Ano naman yung bagay na maaaring nagpapabigat, obligasyon o responsibilidad with the Ten of Wands. Na maaaring there's something overloaded. So, napakabigat. No, ng mga pinagdadaanan mo, no, sa mga nakaraan. So, itong ngayong linggong to ay paalala sa iyo na kailangan mo ng pakawalan at bitawan at nagpapabigat, no, sa iyong sitwasyon. Additional messages, guys. Let's see. And there's a page of wands. So, there's something good news. So, may magandang balita. Na may magandang balita na maaring darating sa iyo, no, ngayong linggong to. Ay, ano kayong magandang balita na yung guys? No, there's something, a messages or phone call or there's an email nakaaring dumating sa situations mo. Ay, handa ka na ba dyan? Sa bagong eksena? What is the messages? Represent guys with a Queen of Swords. Clear the boundaries. No, linisin mo yung mga bagay na nakakasira. There's something, a look at the bigger picture. Para lagi mo titingin magiging possibilities, consequences, outcomes, so ganun. No, lagi mo titignan yung advantage and disadvantage ng bawat action decision. What is the Four of Swords? The Four of Swords represents with a Six of Cups. No, there is a past situation coming back. So, meron daw dito na maaaring babalik from the past. So, meron ditong hindi makaget over at hindi makarecover. No, it's either a person to o situations. No, na maaaring nagdadala sa ito ng takot at pangamba, over fatigue. With the Queen of Pentacles, just being mature enough and being grounded, how to manage and control your finances. No, bibilis sa takbo ng sitwasyon kung matututo kang pangalagaan at proteksyonan mo ano man yung bagay na meron ka. What is the Eight of Cups? There's a Ten of Pentacles. There's something, a long-term success. Wow! So, maaaring makaka-recover ka na, guys. No, magdadala sa ito na pangmatagalan sitwasyon. So, meron din ako nasa-sense dito with the wealth, no? Properties, yaman, na maaaring may kinalaman with ancestors, no? Na parang meron ditong hindi makaget over or makarecover dahil may gusto silang kunin, No, meron akong hidden agenda na nakikita. No, there's a personal interest. What is the Ten of Wands? There's the Moon card. Malalaman mo na yung nagpapabigat sa sitwasyon. There's the Moon card for revelation. So, may raming mga bagay na maaaring nare-reveal. Alam mo, nakita ko ha, meron dito binibigyan ng karamdaman, sakit, no, para, kumbaga, makuha na, no, yung mga ari-arian o yung mga kumbaga documents or papers na related dito with ancestors. Now, there's something a wealth or properties. And there's something a page of cups. Now, there's something a fishy, makinig sa intuition. May balita na maaaring kakaiba tong balita na to. Mahuhuli sa sariling bibig. So, ibig sabihin dito, mayroon dito malansang isda. No, na maaaring itong tao na to, kaya niya to ginagawa, there's a hidden agenda kasi mayroon siyang gustong gawin, no? May gusto siya makuha, ganito, ganyan. What is the Queen of Swords? There's an Ace of Pentacles. Now, there's something a big shot and big money coming in. So, may magandang offer, malaking pera paparating sa'yo. At itong babae na to ay maaaring may hidden agenda, personal interest sa pera na to. One is the Four of Swords, the Six of Cups. There's a Three of Swords. Oh, see? Something pink. There's a third party. So, there's an ex. Oh, there's something related, family related, or there's something ex. No? Na maaaring may hidden agenda, kaya nagkasakit. There's a Hierophant, something religious pact or religious group, or something na parang palipad hangin or curses na ginawa. So, kaya pala may sakit si ganto ganyan. O kaya nagkakasakit kasi gustong ma-shaggy agad-agad. No? Gustong ma-shaggy na to para makuha, no, ang kanyang masamang plano or pakay, guys. No, kaya kailangan niya mag-pay attention kung kayo ay may kamag-arak na ganyan. No, or maaring yung person mo, ganyan. There's a Four of Wands. So, there's something celebration. So, yun nga, na magkakaroon dito ng gathering with your family. May celebration na maaring mangyari. And, of course, there's a Two Pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan niyo maging balance, guys. Physically, mentally, emotionally. So, kailangan niyo timbangin yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa inyo. Mag-ingat kayo, baka paikutin kayo sa eksena. Oh my God, nalaglag yung cards. Ulitin ko, shuffle ko lang tabari. Ganun na ha. What is the Page of Cups? And of course, the Page of Wands. So, this is something a tower moment. This is something major changes. No, talagang gusto nito masira. Oh, there's a chaos. No, talagang gustong sirain. No, ano man yung bagay na meron kayo. So, may hidden agenda talaga, guys. No, there's a chaos. No, there's something disaster. No, there's something fishy. Malalaman na. Malalantad na kung sino tong tao na to. And there's a Star card. There's a healing recovery. Pero makaka-recover. No? Maaaring makakaalis kayo from that situations. No? May pag-asa pa. So, ibig sabihin, maaagapan nyo. What is additional messages for the outcome? There's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. Yung mga pinaghirapan. No, may ex dito, guys. It's either yung asawa mo, may dating asawa siya, no, may dating karelasyon, kasal sila. There's a possibility na maaari may nahabol tong ari-arian or pera. Or meron naman some of you, no, meron ditong inahabol na ari-arian at pera. It's either you or your family related or connected. Now, there's a Six of Wands for victory. Mapagtatagumpayan mo to. No, mareresolba at matatapos mo tong bagay na to. And there's something a judgment. May paalala lang sa'yo na you need to pay attention with a judgment. No, kailangan mo mag-take ng action kung gusto mo makawala dyan from that burden. There's something at the lover. So, ibig sabihin, konektado to sa inyo tong mag-asawa. No, ibig sabihin, may konektado daw dito na mag-asawa at the same time. Oh, sino to? What is the additional messages? Represent with the Three of Cups. Third party. So, may third party nga. A family related or there's something related sa inyo. No, ng inyong person. At the same time, there's an Knight of Swords, there's an anxiety, sleep, so ito na nga, binibigyan ng karamdaman. Magkakaroon ng healing to. Alam mo, kumbaga pinapakita dito kumbaga ginagawan to kasi para magkasakit or para kung ano-ano maramdaman itong tao na to, no? Para ma-shaggy siya, no? Para makuha ng tao na yon yung balak niya dito from this person. Ay, let's see about tayo sa finances and career. Grabe naman tong atake nitong reading na to. No, very serious matter ha. Oh my God. Now, what is additional messages, no, for finances and career? There's a high faces, may hidden agenda talaga. No, there's a hidden enemies with the Sun card. Ibig sabihin, ngayon matutuklasan mo. No, malalaman mo na kung ano yung pakay or masamang intensyon, no, ng tao na yan. Now the truth comes out. There's something in Nine of Pentacles. Maging secure kayo sa kung ano man yung bagay na meron kayo. Pangalagaan nyo ito. There's something in Nine of Pentacles. There's a potential for abundance. May potential kayo para maging malago. Maging masagana. There's a full car. Masyado lang kayo nagtiwala o masyado nagtiwala from other person. There's another one. So there's something perseverance. So kailangan nyo lang magtiyaga. No, na tulungan yung taon to. Ganun. Or tulungan yung tao na yon. No, there's something kailangan na perseverance. Pagtiyaga. Sa love life, there's a two of wands, or there's a choices, first step. So, meron kayong hakbangin na kailangan gawin. And the King of Cups, very devoted so for the person. Now, yung person mo is very devoted naman daw. Now, and of course, there's a two of Cups, may partnership talaga. So, meron about dito sa partnership, guys. And there's a Three of Pentacles for collaboration. So, there's something connection. I feel something kasal to. No, meron, it's either your person kasal o ikaw yung kasal. No, and of course, there's something at justice. No, there's something at justice will be served. Na meron ditong legal matter about sa justice. There's a Ten of Cups with a happiness. Magiging masaya kayo. No? Magiging maayos ang inyong familya. Sa kalusugan. No, there's a King of Swords. No, there's a stop the pattern. So, kailangan mong putulin. Ano man yung bagay na nagbibigay sa inyo ng masamang karamdaman. There's a Hangman, something stuck, hang. No, kaya parang lutang kayo or maaring kaya hindi kayo makakilos, hindi kayo makagalaw. No, kumbaga, some of you, masakit yung ulo nyo. There's a Hangman, something stuck. And the Eight of Pentacles. So, see? So, ibig sabihin nito, para hindi kayo makapag-concentrate sa trabaho nyo, sa ginagawa nyo. Oy, sabi ko na, there's a Devil card. So, ginagawa talaga kayo ng karamdaman or yung person mo. And there's a Four of Cups. So, see? Inuunti-unti. So, there's something, a possibility na maaaring pinapakain or pinakain to ng kung ano-anong bagay. No? Inofera ng pagkain o inumin. There's a Devil card na may gawa talaga siya pagdating sa kalusugan. Hindi siya makapag-focus, lutang. Kailangan niya maging wise dito. There's a Hermit card. There's a spiritual awakening, spiritual journey. Sabi ko ni. It's all about spirituality. So, mayroon talagang sapaw ng kulam. No? Meron tong sapaw ng kulam, Madam Sir, ha? So, you need to pay attention from that situation. So, let's see. With the Money Move Oracle deck, represent what? So, nandito na tayo sa ating gabay. Grabe, ha? Napakaseryosong usapin to, ha? Kaloka kayo. And there's a gambling. Meron, don't risk too much. No, hindi ibig sabihin ng gambling is sugal. Some of you nagsusugal, no? Pero hindi naman lahat, no? No, meron ako dito na sense na parang don't risk too much. Na parang wag mong isugal ang lahat. No, wag mong ilaban yung mga bagay na alam mong kumbaga wala kang kasiguraduhan. Parang yung sinasabi sa akin. Wait an angel's number. There is a 0330 lucky ship. Pursue your goals and get what you want. It will provide wonderful benefit for you and people you hold there. Your ability to communicate is improving at this time, which is make it easier for you to interact with a broad no spectrum of individuals. So may pag-asa. Now there's a love, peace, hope, no optimism, transferring a responsibility to others, progress. No, mayroong bagay na maaaring magbago sa situation. So, kailangan lang magtiwala. What is the magic of fairy messages? Represent what? Love life. So, malaking factor dito ay maaaring kompetensya pagdating sa relasyon. Pag-ibig, kirida, kabit, gano'n, something like that. May ganong eksena, ha? So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Oh, guilt. May galit na galit at sinasabotahe talaga kayo. And there's something spiritual guidance. So, meron ditong ancestor guides na maaring gumagabay sa'yo. Some of you guys, baka na-shaggy na yung person mo. No? And there's a whole inner growth. No? Within 30, no? 30 years. So, ibig sabihin na more than 30 years na yung ginagawa or there's a possibility within this 30-year-old. No? Kumbaga nag-30-year-old ka, yan. And there's an ex-lover. Ay, meron ditong ex-lover talaga! So, pinapakita, there's an ex na hindi makaget over. May hidden agenda. Let's see what the secret is. Losses. Gusto nito mawala sa inyo lahat. There's a losses. And there's something finder of the lost things. So parang may hinahanap siya na nawala sa kanya. So parang ayaw niya mapunta sa inyo yung mga bagay na, parang ayaw niya mapunta sa inyo yung mga bagay na meron na dapat siya. Ganon. Na para sa kanya dapat. Ganon. Oh my God! Tumbok na kung sino to. What is Archangel Michael messages? Focus upon divine perfect health. So, ibig sabihin dito kailangan mag-focus sa kalusugan nyo. Ginagawan kayo ng spiritual problem, guys. No? Lalo sa kalusugan. Kinukulam kayo. What is a Jesus loving quote said? I am with you always, even at the end of the world. So, nandito lang ating Panginoon, Yeso Cristo, no, ginagabayan ka kahit piling mo, pinagsakluban ka ng langit at lupa. Ganon. What is a yes or no Fika card? So, kung bago ka sa channel ko, ang yes or no Fika card, pwede ka magtanong. No, kung bago ka sa channel ko, ang yes or no Fika card, pwede ka magtanong. Pipili ka na magiging sagot sa tanong mo. At the same time, mag-isip ka na ngayon na. No, ng tanong mo. Napili ka within 1, 2, or 3, ha? Kapag nakapili ka na, please comment down below para malaman ko kung umabot ka ba sa reading na to. Dito sa, sa chapter na to. Okay? Please comment down below kung ano number. Let's start with the number 1. Number 1. Anong sagot sa number 1? Okay, walang sinabi. Number 2 muna tayo. Number 2, there's a yes, no? Brilliant idea, clear path, bright future ahead. So, magandang iniisip mo or plano mo. No, ito yung magbagay na magbubukas sa panibagong eksena at magiging maganda ang hinaharap mo at kapalaran mo. Number 3. Number 3, there's a yes and there's a no. Dalawa ang sagot. Being showed the way, welcome with open arms. So, bukas palad mo, tanggapin na naman yung bagay na dumarating. No, at isa pa, misdirection or recalibrate your course, no? May mali kang direction na tinaka, kung may mali ka ditong pwesto or mali kang ginawa dito na kailangan mo itama. No, number 1, there is a yes, no? Almost all yes naman. Pero may negative lang dito na number 3. No, there's a yes and no. Depende yan. No, flow with the current natural progress. No, dadaloy na, no, ng natural at maayos sa proseso or progreso sa buhay mo, sa sitwasyon mo. So, mararamdaman mo na yung unti-unti pagbabago. So, guys, this is something weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos update. Kung gusto mo sunod-sunod natin makapag-reading tayo dito, no, at patuloy ang read natin sa Leo signs, no, please don't skip the ad para makatulong tayo sa ating channel, okay? And of course, kung mag-upload na tayo ng mga special gabay, monthly gabay, every single day. Once na magtutuloy-tuloy na pa-upload natin. No, naway supportahan nyo ako sa ating upload. No, don't skip the ad, guys. And of course, patuloy na panood ng aking reading. Maraming salamat po and see you the next video. Bye-bye. And babush.